Now, we had just marked this group in the 2015 coverage period as the final selection, so you have final here. I want to add my 2016 plans now, which are also community rated. So I'm going to go to employer here, and you'll notice you'll see 2015, and you'll hit add new, and you'll add 2016. Dates automatically reflect the renewal coverage period. You're going to mark it community rated just like you did previously, and it takes you to coverage period setup census, except this time we're in 2016. Let's rinse and repeat what we did in the previous coverage period. So we're going to actually skip this for now and go to plan designs. And let's add our plans first. A couple things to notice. Final of the 2015 coverage period became current of the 2016 renewal period, as you can see here. I'm going to call this mapped renewal. And I'm actually going to add my second option too. And this is more of a preference thing. I'm going to just call this Aetna alternate. Okay. I'm going to open up my folder. I'm going to go ahead and hit add. And I'm going to go through that same process, except this time I'm going to choose the 2016 plan. I'm assuming the RX is the same. When I go to premiums, instead of composite, I'm going to hit community rated. One difference here is you're going to see the census pull up with no rates. Again, same out. Next step is but to hit apply and just have that 0 stand. Likewise, I'm going to go to my Aetna alternate and do the same there. If you see this screen here, you'll want to skip it and take it right to the plan library portion or create your plan. Likewise, I'm adding my RX. And when I get my premiums, instead of composite, I hit community rated, and you're going to see those blank period premiums again. Now, instead of starting from scratch with the conversion, you can actually reuse your previous conversion here. So if I were in your shoes, I would save as right away. And instead of 2015, make it 2016. And all you have to do is switch the effective date to 2016. You'll notice everyone ages up, which makes sense. This would also be a good time for you to make adjustments to census. So let's say Rogers here was removed from the team. You could just highlight that whole row there and right-click and delete him off the census. Likewise, you could also add here by right-clicking and hitting insert. Okay. This right here no longer is relevant, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this here. This becomes where I'm getting this information is from the plan designs themselves. So this becomes, what, P600? Right. If we kept the same RX plan, but if it was a different RX plan, you would copy and paste the new code, and likewise with the carrier name. Aetna is, this is the one we're going to use, and let me just show you quick the quote, what it looks like. So I see that that's the display, and so here I'm going to move this over. And what I'm going to do is I'm also going to, there's the carrier name, here's the code. Notice I'm pasting destination formatting. You could paste this as well, but I prefer matching the formatting there. See, I almost made that same mistake as well. And I'll call this just the Gold PPO 1000 just to keep a shorter name. In the tab, I do like to keep my tabs organized. So in the next video, we will paste the rate tables.